Legend, what are you doing? Hi, Legend, what are you doing? He's going on my... No, that's my... Wait, what are you doing? No, that's my crazy makeup drawer. Crazy. Hi, pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury, beauty, and skincare related. Tonight, for the Christmas season, you guys, a lot of change is coming my way. You guys know I've been kind of telling you guys about it, dropping hints. Yeah, so I just kind of did my makeup. My husband and I are going to go look at refrigerators as part of our new endeavor. So you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys along with me because I'm feeling festive. This is my puppy, Legend. Legend, are you a puppy anymore? Or are you 6 months? He's still a puppy. He's definitely still a puppy. Look how big my putter grew. Legend, don't bite me in front of everybody, putter dog. Tell everybody where to go. Oh, this is my puppy. This is my puppy, this is my puppy. Oh my God. Oh, that's puppy dad. That's my puppy. Ah, watch my weed. Look at this gift I got. What would you guys do if somebody gifted you a green mug that says toxic? Would you like that? Let me know in the comments below. So guys, I got this in the mail today from Sinbono, if I'm saying that wrong, but how cute is this packaging? So inside, I got the cutest bag in the mail, but I'm gonna unbox it with you. I can't wait to see it in person. The packaging is so cute. Here it comes in the dust bag. Oh my God. Oh my God, how stinking cute is this? It's vegan leather and it's a black bag. It is so soft. Babe, come here and see this bag. And look how tiny it is and cute. I got it in gold hardware because it's adorable. And you open the top like this. Guys, this is so cute. I cannot get over how soft this leather is. But it's vegan, so it's so cool because obviously if you're not into leather, this is amazing. All right, so here's the bag. Sorry, Legend's right here. Here's the bag. It's so soft. You can open it like this, right? And then you zipper it, or unzipper as you will. I have the gold hardware, and then it comes, you have the tissue paper in it, so it keeps its shape. I recommend that you keep it. But then it even comes with gold hardware, which I think is great. All you do is you close it up and you have these really great leverages right here that you just hook. My dogs are drinking next to me too. Baby, look at that, Mommy's got a new purse. Guys, I know I don't ever have a black bag. You guys know I'm so beige and pink that I don't have a black bag. So this is my only black bag. So thank you, Sinbono. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. And then you can make it this great crossbody. If you have it as a great crossbody, you can wear it like this, which actually looks really cute. Look at that, right? Is that not the cutest? And then you just have everything right here. Or I think this will also look really cute as just a moment. Just hi, a moment. Yes, queens! I love it, I can't wait. Just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because I think it's adorable. Going to find a home decor book. Toodles, honey. For the cottage, hint hint.